This enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at applying conditional rules when using masking. Conditional rules allow you to mask the data based on specific conditions in the database. This means you can execute masking based on custom where clauses. In this tutorial, we're firstly going to look at an existing masking rule set. We're then going to apply conditional rules to the rule set, and thirdly, we're going to perform masking. Okay, so we're inside a definition for a banking application. And within this banking application, we have several tables spanning across credit cards, accounts, customers, transactions, ATMs, and also employees of the bank. Now, we have created a data activity previously that allows us to go in and mask the database by applying various different masking rules. Now, within masking rules, we can come in and we can just define a function that exists. Now, what we have is a transactions table, and within that transaction table, we have things like transaction types, amounts, transaction dates, etc. Now, what we've done is we've set up our transaction rule set to have conditional masking functions applied. And what we've done here is we've actually specified a given amount that should be there. So the amount based off of whatever transaction type has been assigned to it. So if the transaction type is direct debit, we're going to apply a function between 5,000 and 10,000. If it's a cash withdrawal via ATM, we're going to apply an amount between 0 and 250. And if it falls under any of the other conditions, we're going to apply an amount of 0 to 100. So this allows us to come in and add where clauses, which define what type of masking function we should utilize for the value that we are masking at this present time. Now, to show you an example of this, we have a transaction table. But look here, we've got different transaction types. At the moment, all the amounts are zeroed out. What we're going to do is we're going to come in and run our masking routine. And let's come back and review the results once it's finished. Okay, so our masking is complete. We'll see here all the rows that have been updated in our results. Let's come back to our database table. Let's do an execute. And what we'll see now is our amounts reflect what has been embedded through those rules we've defined in our masking rule set. For watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.